Welcome, today I've heard of me iPhone 14 Pro and I'll show you the loudspeaker level of this device. So just first I'll launch the decibelometer because I'll do this with the help of the decibelometer, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. So this mode means that when the decibelometer will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 111.1 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.